Hey guys, we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at the worst rated attraction. 597 people have rated this ride as terrible. But I think it may be better than what we're seeing on the internet. So we're going to check it out and we'll give you our honest opinion.
Hi, Matt here.
I'm Stacy. And this little guy is our buddy Tarzan. Together, we are the Rays on the Road. Hey guys, so we did some research on this ride, and it looks like it has a pretty big following online. We know there are a lot of other reviews of it and some videos, but I found a pretty extensive subreddit about this ride, and it says that it was built in the early 2000s by a company called Scare Factory Inc. They made all the animatronics. And the same company, Scare Factory Inc., has built some other dark rides around the United States that are pretty popular with this kind of cult crowd. But unfortunately, it looks as though as the years have went on and these animatronics have gone into disrepair, they haven't been replaced with the original Scare Factory type animatronics. They've been replaced with what are lovingly, I'm sure, referred to as dinosaurs, which would be kind of like cheap Chinese imitations of these same animatronics. And as you see, as we start riding through, you'll see some of the animatronics are a little higher quality than others. But we're going to give you guys a full ride through of this so you can see everything from beginning to end and decide if you think this will be something that you and your family would enjoy doing. Look at the faces of them. The water's
Splash.
yeah. I don't think the water's been filtered in a while.
I'm sure it flows that over them rocks.
Yeah. This thing gonna open up.
made it out alive.
We made it. Phew. I think so.
We made it out alive.
See for your eyes. Okay guys, so we just came out of the Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride, and I'm happy to say that I think the reviews are wrong. What did you think?
I think it's worth the money you pay.
How much was it? We're gonna put that right here, the price.
Seems like it was $16 for both of us, but I could be wrong.
I think it was fun. Now, is it like realistic? No, but I thought that was a fun little ride.
It was cool inside.
Yeah, it's cool. It's an activity to get out of the sun on hot days like today. And it was fun. Like, it's kitschy, camp, whatever. But I enjoyed it. I would totally, if like we were with our nieces and they wanted to come, I would do this again with them.
Yeah, it was fun. I will say my only negative to it would be that a lot of the lights inside are kind of off. I don't know if they're just out or something. Like some of the dinosaurs you can't really see.
Yeah, it needs a little TLC, but it's not to the point that it's like not fun.
No, I had fun. It's cool in there. You know, the dinosaurs. Where else you're going to see animatronic dinosaurs this side of the Mississippi?
Yeah, and the one thing I'll say, pretty much a person of any size could ride this, but if you have a mobility issue, you could probably not ride this. You have to go down a big step to get into the boat and step back up a big step. But I did it with no problem, so most people could probably do it.
Yeah, it was fun. I would definitely recommend it to try it once, you know?
Yeah, it's totally fun. Loved it. I think the reviews are wrong. This is not terrible.
Yeah,
it's
not a 1 star. It's definitely not 1 star.
Yeah, this was great. We had a great time. Thanks for watching, guys. We love you all.
Love you. Bye. If you made it this far, like and subscribe.
Love you.